Project code ITPY IP02. Project title Plant Disease Recognition using Deep Learning Approach. Abstract. Here we take plant leaf disease dataset, image dataset, and after that quality of crop we predict the here. Our dataset takes CNN model to train the data using CNN means convolutional neural network, train the data and get their model accuracy and deploy this model in GUI. Test on image is testing the input image to upload the GUI process and predict the model to get which disease that leaf, plant leaf disease. This disease dataset we take decision making. This is the complete A model decision human decision making example. So human decision like human decision making existing concept. They are using existing concept. They are using plant disease has released human annotation by visual inspect agriculture production cost significantly increase. This is the CNN model. They are using disease type of leaves existing drawback. Existing drawback. They are using machine learning approaches and they are not getting better accurate result. Accurate results. Proposing system. Here we take the plant leaf disease dataset. Here plant leaf means 9 type of disease and 9 type of healthy. 18 types of 18 classes. So each class 70 to 80 images. Totally 8 classes. 18 classes, sorry, 18 classes. This dataset will take and build the CNN model and input shape and size, padding size and filtering size, so flatten and a dropout range and dense layer, final output, how many categories, 18 categories or 19 categories like as. After building the CNN, we train this dataset and after training we get the model deep learning model. This deep learning model we save the .h5 file, .h5 hierarchical data format file and to this file to deploy the GUI. Best model we deploy the GUI. You give input in image, in plant image, getting the predict the disease, disease or not, and solutions also. This is the best model for deep learning approach. Proposed advantage. This is best model for plant leaf disease prediction. Disease. Deep learning model. Existing algorithm. Existing technique. Here using CNN for this is not getting best accuracy. This model. Proposed technique. Here we using Elinet CNN. This is the reducing error. Main thing is reducing error and getting best accuracy. This algorithm understand architecture diagram or project architecture. Here we take the data set, feature engineering process and feature selection process, and we train the deep learning model using CNN, Elinet CNN, and predict the disease type. This is architecture. Application using real time. Identification of plant disease became easy even for a common man. Common man can be easily identified, easily use this prototype deep learning model. Easy even for common man. Future enhancement. This is for to automate the agriculture process. Department. Agriculture problem, agriculture field also automated. Software technology. We using Anaconda with Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook. By using this software, Anaconda is inbuilt lots of libraries having. So rare libraries we installing here. Inbuilt libraries. Lots of inbuilt libraries having Anaconda environments. So minimum hardware requirements. Hardware requirements. Processor Intel, RAM 4 GB, monitor 15-inch color, and hard disk 40 GB. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.